मोठ्या प्रमाणात भायर सरून मतदान यशस्वी केल्ले खातीर वेंचणूक अधिकाऱ्यान गोंयचे जनतेचें स्वागत केलां। वेंचणूक जाहीर जाले उपरांत वेंचणुकेची प्रक्रिया म्हयन्या पयलीं सुरू जाल्ली आनी सगळ्यांक मतदान कार्डां दिवपाक वेंचणूक आयोग यशस्वी थारले। गोंयांत जाल्ले निवडणुको पळयल्यार व्हीव्हीपॅट मशीन 100% यशस्वी थारला, अशी माहिती वेंचणूक अधिकारी कुणाल हांणी दिली। RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला।
We have successfully conducted elections to all the voting has completed in all the 40 assembly constituencies, barring one where there are some issues. So first of all, I would like to place my appreciation to all the voters of Goa who have patronized our efforts and came out in large number. My appreciation to all my polling officials who worked day and night, especially those who were on polling duty, because from yesterday afternoon they were in the field and then still they are in field, in fact reaching to the reception centers. My appreciation to the police officials, particularly Central Armed Police Forces, for ensuring peace and tranquility in the area. And we had witnessed among the most peaceful election in Goa, and it is an achievement for citizens as well as the participants from the system. And if you see, this whole process started almost a month back when the announcement was made by Honorable Commission for conduct of election to Goa, and we had witnessed very extensive campaigning period by all the political parties. Let me give you certain brief. For sake of repetition, certain information might be repetitive. We are having 11.10 lakh voters, including 844 service voters, and we had 8,088 electors in ASD list, means those who are not found during BLO's door-to-door visit, absentee shifted death list. We had corrected lot of such data during our assembly division exercise. We had 251 candidates, including 19 female candidates. 1,642 polling stations were there in 135 polling locations, and 100% epic were issued. During mock poll, total 19 ballot unit and 31 control units of EVMs were replaced. 19 ballot unit and 31 control unit of EVMs were replaced, and during poll 2 ballot unit and 3 control units were replaced. So I would say our machines were very sturdier, and if you must have witnessed, Goa witnessed 100% VVPAT this time. So VVPAT replacement was during mock poll 21, and during polling 12 VVPATs were replaced. So total 2% of VVPAT, whereas we were maintaining a very healthy average of VVPATs reserve, almost 30%. And if you know, we had 20 general observers, 8 expenditure observers, 5 police observer and 1 awareness observer. They observed the proceedings of conduct of elections as an officer from Election Commission, and they ensured that the elections are conducted in free and fair manner. Total 261 micro observers, they are appointed by observer in sensitive constituencies. So they were appointed parallelly to our polling officials. In this election, more than 11,300 polling personnel were deployed. Sweep exercise, as you know, we had very extensive use of social media, particularly Facebook, and I'm very glad to share with you that we have got more than 35,000 likes. That is more than 3% of Goan voters are directly connected through CO office, and if you see the engagement level, that is hovering more than 1 lakh. That means more than 10% of Goan voters are directly connected through CO Goa Facebook page. So this has been a very, I would say, novel experience for all of us in the election management body, and the citizens and particularly the young generation have really taken and appreciated our efforts